Welcome back to a new video. Today we have a notifier part here. Seems to be a trend with all my 3030 parts. Sellers don't seem to be packaging them well. It's kind of weird, they're all from different sellers and stuff, but this is my second or third notifier 3030 part that has had a messed up box. This is probably one of the worst. You can see the side's all crushed. This side's pressed in, and I can't show the other side because it has my address on it, but there's a massive hole in the side. Now this is a Notifier DVC. You already know because the title. So yeah, we can go ahead and open this thing up. It also doesn't feel very well packaged inside either. It shakes around very easily. Looks like they used a lot of bubble wrap. Alright, so it looks like this is what's in the box here. Now they did use quite a bit of bubble wrap, so I guess that's good. Hopefully this thing comes with the NUP cable, because it's like $90 to buy one of those, and it's just a super short little cable to connect this thing up to the main panel, so hopefully it comes with that. Looks like it does, actually. And also hopefully it comes with the DVC AO board, which was shown in the pictures, but it doesn't really say it came with it. Oh yeah, looks like it comes with it. Alright, there's the bubble wrap off. Now I have to be careful, I don't really want to set the back on the carpet just for static and stuff. But there it is, a DVC. So if you don't know, a DVC is the digital voice command, I think. Now basically what this thing does is it stores all the voice messages, sends the signals to the amplifiers. This is where the microphone for doing paging plugs into, firefighter's telephone, stuff like that. So this basically controls anything voice. This is basically a built-in annunciator right here. You can program these to basically disable points or whatever. Let's see if they wrote on the other side of these. I'm not really sure how these ones work, but sometimes they'll flip them around so they look new. Nope, they're actually new. Looks like they never used it. Now these ones are from the factory like this. So it looks like it includes the longer NUP cable, so that's really good. So this would be long enough to get up to my CPU. One end plugs in the CPU, other end plugs here, and that's how it communicates and knows what messages to send and all that stuff. So here's another. Now this right here is the DVC AO, which basically what this does is instead of using the DAL loop to communicate with its proprietary amplifiers that have like built-in backup amplifiers and messages and stuff, you basically use this, and it'll just play the audio outputs through these. I don't have one of the nicer audio amplifiers right now, so I can't use the DAL loop to communicate with it. I just have like a Radio Shack cheap amplifier I'm going to use with this until I can get a real notifier amplifier, and that's what these ports will allow me to do. You can see there's a jack right there for firefighter's telephone, I think. Whole bunch of screw terminals. You can see there's a whole bunch of gold pins right there for both the boards. I will have more videos on this. This isn't really an overview or anything. This is just an unboxing. There's the NUP ports. So yeah, bad packaging, but I do have software, so I can program this. It's kind of weird how they have the plastic over that. So yeah, I'm really excited to hook up all this, all these buttons and all that stuff. Looks like there's some buttons on the main board. So yeah, I have to buy a chassis and a whole bunch more cards. Still have to buy an SLC card. If you have a SLC card for a 3030, please let me know. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll have more videos on this thing coming very soon.